Why does our planet's weather swing from mild winters to sudden floods or droughts? The answer often lies in a powerful climate pattern that starts in the Pacific Ocean. El Nino. Named by South American fishermen who noticed warmer waters around Christmas, El Nino disrupts their catch and signals a global shift. Normally, strong trade winds push warm water westward, piling it near Australia and Indonesia, while cool, nutrient-rich water rises off South America, fueling rich fisheries. This balance brings rain to the western Pacific and keeps the east dry, but every few years the trade winds weaken. Warm water sloshes back east, upending the usual order. Fisheries collapse, weather patterns shift, and the world braces for change. El Nino is about to rewrite the weather script. The stage is set for a global transformation. El Nino begins when the trade winds falter, letting warm water surge east across the Pacific. This suppresses the upwelling of cool, nutrient-rich water off Peru and Ecuador, devastating marine life and fisheries. The atmosphere responds, rain clouds follow the warm water, bringing floods to normally dry South America. Meanwhile, Indonesia and Australia face drought and fire as their rains vanish. The Pacific's rainfall pattern flips, showing how a shift in ocean and wind can trigger chaos continents away. El Niño's reach is vast. One ocean's change, the world's consequence. A single switch in the Pacific can mean feast or famine, flood or fire. The planet's systems are more connected than we think. El Niño's power ripples far beyond the Pacific. It alters jet streams, steering storms, and changing winters worldwide. The southern US often gets wetter and cooler, while the north turns warm and dry. Southern Africa faces drought, eastern Africa may see floods, and India's monsoon can weaken. El Niño years often set global heat records, releasing ocean warmth into the air. Coral reefs bleach, marine life suffers, and food chains are disrupted. From weather to wildlife, El Niño's touch is global. It's a reminder, one ocean's change can shake the world. El Niño has an opposite, La Niña, the Pacific's cool phase. During La Niña, trade winds strengthen, pushing even more warm water west and boosting cold upwelling off South America. Fisheries thrive, but the weather flips again. Australia and Indonesia get heavy rains and floods, while South America dries out. In North America, La Niña brings cold, stormy winters to the north and dry, warm weather to the south. These cycles, El Niño and La Niña, form the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. ENSO is nature's climate pendulum swinging between extremes. It shapes weather, food, and water for millions. Today, we track El Niño and La Niña with a network of ocean buoys and satellites. These tools measure winds, temperatures, and sea levels, sending real-time data to scientists worldwide. Early warnings help communities prepare. Farmers adjust crops, governments brace for floods or droughts. Technology turns mystery into foresight, saving lives and livelihoods. El Niño isn't caused by humans, but we can adapt to its effects. By watching the Pacific's rhythms, we learn to live with its power. Science gives us a head start against nature's surprises. The more we understand, the better we can prepare for the world's wildest weather.